So guys, for today's vlog, we are here going to catch the bus. Good morning guys. Everyone, good morning. I'm going to church, so I walk until here. You know, I'm from there, very far, a bit far. How many minutes I walk? I walk until here. Hirap maraming suot guys. Kasi winter malamig. Dami-dami suot. Waiting the bus. Late na ako guys. I'm waiting the bus. Oh, there is a bus now. Para tayo. Waiting. Dan ako, dadaan. Wala ka ng bus. Ayun.